Welcome to LVDAde Purification Factory. This 200 liters vacuum oil purifier is used in hydraulic oil treatment systems of Malaysia's steam turbine equipment, which relies on functions of dehydration, degassing, and removal of mechanical impurities. It's a most ideal special equipment for oil purification. The vacuum oil filter machine has high degassing efficiency because it adopts a system of evaporative degassing. At the same time, it's equipped with a filter system to remove impurities in the oil. This vacuum oil purifier consists of electrical control cabinet, vacuum pump, fine filter, primary filter, heating devices, vacuum tank, oil drain pump. The vacuum pump ejects the air in the vacuum tank to form a vacuum. Under the action of atmospheric pressure, the external oil enters the primary filter through an inlet pipeline, removes large particles, and drains from this sewage, and then enters the heating tank. After heating to 40 to 75 degrees, the oil passes through the automatic oil drifter valve. This valve automatically controls the amount of oil entering and out of the vacuum tank to keep balance. After heating, the oil rotates quickly through the split wind to separate the oil into a semi-fog, and the water in the oil is rapidly evaporated into the water vapor and continues sucked into the condenser by the vacuum pump. The water vapor into the condenser is cooled and then returned to the original water and then drained. The oil in the vacuum heating tank is discharged in the fine filter by the exhaust pump or to filter out the particle impurities through the filter elements so as to complete the whole process of vacuum oil filter to quickly remove impurities, water and gas from the oil so the clean oil is discharged from the oil outlet. A vacuum oil filter can effectively remove water in particles in oil. It's mainly used in the power generation industry and electrical appliance manufacturing plants, paper mills, electrochemical plants, industry, and many enterprises. The degassing and purification of industry oil such as turbine oil, transflexion oil, luxation oil, and hydraulic oil, it can also remove acid in parallel with a regeneration device, decoloration, and improvement of insulation strength.